In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix Apple CarPlay not working. So to do this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to our settings. From here, we now need to go down, click on General, and then select CarPlay. Once we click on CarPlay, as you'll notice, it will then scan for new cars, but it will show you your current car that you are using CarPlay on, or if it's not working, what we need to do is click on the vehicle that you've already connected. You then want to go down, you want to disable CarPlay, and then you want to click on Forget this car. Once we do this, you will then be able to click on Forget to confirm this. And then once you click on Forget, that will then remove this specific car from CarPlay. And then what you then need to do is you need to go through and reset up Apple CarPlay with your car. And then once it has been reset up and it's all refreshed, it will then work as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix Apple CarPlay not working.